Hey everybody, Steven here from Northwest Small Batch Brewing. I'm about to do a little project here. I got my little Dremel tool, grinder tool, and I've traced on the top of this barrel, well really it's the bottom of this little bucket here, a circle that I'm going to cut out. What could possibly go wrong? Alright, so here we go. Have you figured out where I'm going with this yet? Dun, da, 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 ra, da, da, da. That's right, it's a grain mill extender. I've extended my little basket here so that now I can put an entire bucket of grain, and I hopefully will have it not fall out. I'll have to test it for my next batch. All right, well, that's just about it. It's a combo deal there of a hot tip and just something new to try. You do want to get something like a bungee cord. I actually had to find one that's either longer or shorter. This one's just not the right length, but a bungee cord or two to be able to, kind of hold that all in place. I think it actually will be fine without it, but, it's a little loosey-goosey, and I can see accidents like it tipping over because it's not secured. And then, of course, you end up with your grain all over the floor. So a couple bungee cords of the right length, that'll do ya. Anyway, I'll be back in another week for another video. And until then, as always, keep on brewing.